Unveiling the wonders of nature, life facts and biological challenges of the Eastern Hognose snake. Today, our focus is on the captivating Eastern Hognose snake. Join us as we uncover the fascinating life facts that make this snake a unique and intriguing resident of North America's diverse ecosystems. Number 1. Distinctive physical features. The Eastern Hognose snake stands out with its unmistakable physical characteristics. Its most notable feature is the upturned snout, resembling a hognose, which plays a crucial role in its daily activities. This adaptation aids in burrowing and digging for prey, showcasing the snake's evolutionary ingenuity. Additionally, their coloration varies, offering effective camouflage in their natural habitats. Number 2. Specialized diet and venomous adaptations. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Eastern Hognose snake's life is its specialized diet. These snakes primarily prey on toads, utilizing rear fangs to inject mild venom. The venom is not harmful to humans but is highly effective against their amphibian prey. We explore the unique adaptations that make these snakes skilled hunters and the role of their diet in shaping their behavior. Number 3. Playful and dramatic defense mechanisms. When faced with threats, the Eastern Hognose snake exhibits dramatic defense mechanisms that leave observers in awe. From hissing loudly to flattening their bodies and even playing dead by rolling onto their backs, these behaviors are a spectacle to witness. Discover the purpose behind these theatrical displays and how they contribute to the snake's survival in the wild. Number 4. Diverse habitat choices. Eastern Hognose snakes are versatile in their choice of habitats, ranging from woodlands and grasslands to sandy areas. We explore the diverse ecosystems they call home and the reasons behind their adaptability to different environments. Understanding their habitat preferences provides insights into the snake's ecological role within these ecosystems. Number 5. Unique reproductive strategies. The snake's reproductive strategies add another layer of fascination to its life story. Female Eastern Hognose snakes lay eggs in sandy soil, and the temperature during incubation determines the sex of the offspring, a phenomenon known as temperature-dependent sex determination. Delve into the intricacies of their reproductive behaviors and their challenges they face during the crucial stages of life. Number 6. Conservation considerations. As with many wildlife species, the Eastern Hognose snake faces conservation challenges. Habitat loss, human impact, and other environmental factors contribute to the need for protective measures. We discuss ongoing conservation efforts and the importance of preserving the natural habitats that sustain these remarkable reptiles. We delve into the intriguing world of the Eastern Hognose snake, Heterodon platyhinos, uncovering the biological challenges that shape its existence. Number 1. Adaptations for survival. The Eastern Hognose snake boasts an array of adaptations that enhance its chances of survival. From its upturned snout designed for efficient burrowing to its cryptic coloration, providing excellent camouflage, these adaptations showcase the snake's evolutionary prowess. Despite these advantages, the snake encounters various biological challenges that add complexity to its daily life. Number 2. Specialized diet and feeding strategies. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Eastern Hognose snake's biology is its specialized diet. These snakes primarily feed on toads, utilizing their rear fangs to inject mild venom during predation. This adaptation, while effective for hunting toads, presents a challenge when toad populations fluctuate or face environmental pressures. The snake's dependency on this specific diet highlights the delicate balance in nature that affects its feeding behavior. Number 3. Defense mechanisms in the face of threats. When confronted by predators or perceived threats, the Eastern Hognose snake unveils a repertoire of captivating defense mechanisms. The dramatic act of playing dead, complete with hissing and mouth gaping, is a spectacle to behold. However, the snake is not immune to predation, and these defensive strategies are put to the test in the wild. We explore how these behaviors evolve as the snake adapts to different environmental pressures. Number 4. Habitat loss and human impact. As human activities continue to shape landscapes, the Eastern Hognose snake faces the challenge of habitat loss. Urbanization, agriculture, and other anthropogenic factors contribute to the shrinking of suitable habitats, placing stress on the snake populations. We discuss the impact of these environmental changes on the snake's ability to find suitable breeding grounds and foraging areas. Number 5. Reproductive strategies and vulnerabilities. The Eastern Hognose snake employs fascinating reproductive strategies, including temperature-dependent sex determination during egg incubation. However, this process comes with its own set of challenges. From the vulnerability of eggs to predation to the intricate balance required for successful reproduction, we explore the intricacies of the snake's life cycle. Number 6. Conservation initiatives and future outlook. In light of these challenges, conservation efforts become paramount. We investigate ongoing initiatives aimed at preserving the habitats of the Eastern Hognose snake, understanding its ecological role, and raising awareness about the importance of coexisting with these fascinating reptiles.